I saw her standing there. The Beatles were
your patience last night. I threw me pitchfork that you've got to be quiet. Nelson's telling me that you're avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you've got something I need. Cause I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. She made me laugh. I'll stick to you, mate. I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets. I'm a man built for speed. And you know I love you, darling. So give me your hand. The thing I want the most is take her to land. Cause I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Oh, she made me for 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Big sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I clean it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up again, me and that lottery run. I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Weren't we a grand couple with the last little pants? I wore my brand new gaiters and my horseshoe pants. Then my new Sunday dress with me perfect fine brand. We had our photo of us holding hands. Well, I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. Now that's where it goes back to the thing that you and me. Should stop this gallivant and will you marry me? Cause I got a brand new combine arms and I'll give you the key. You're a fine looking woman, I can't wait till I answer your name.
Oh yeah, so one and only Sean.
That song.